So in September of 2012, we ended up signing a contract with her, and I laid out a timeline of what was going to happen because we had a buyer for the house. On Saturday after the sale, I called her up just so that I could get an idea of how the sale went, and my husband and I were in Marco in case there were any questions, and we could come over to the house. She wanted Sunday just to relax. She'd worked so hard at our sale and said, let's meet on Monday. Well, it turns out that on Sunday was when she was emptying the house completely, unbeknownst to us. And once again, we heard this from Silas Pierce of what happened. She took all the items that were at the house. So Monday, when I went over there, the house was emptied. In December, I had a lot of communication with Silas about what went on, who she had done this to before, and the whole world opened up. I've gotten tons of information. So the beginning of January, the family got worried. Finally, I said, Charlotte, the family wants their money, and we want it now. I've offered to have Mike and me come down and help you, and you've refused. This month, March 27th, we got a judgment, a full judgment, and our judge was Judge Hart.
And how much was your judgment for?
Almost 1.4 million plus attorney's fees, plus expenses through the house and just pick up anything we wanted to complete the judgment. And that's what we did. We walked away with 2 banker's boxes Wednesday, April 2nd. And that was 5 police cars here, 4 of them sheriff's cars, 1 unmarked. Our attorney came, and Charlotte was busy selling items at that time of the levy and leave. And she almost convinced the policeman that she wasn't doing anything wrong, even though they had a levy and leave order. She almost had them convinced that she would continue doing business. So Mike and I were here, and we went over to the police, gave them some history, said this is what's going on, so they did make her stop selling.
And at the time that you did the break order on this warehouse, wasn't she in bankruptcy court saying that she didn't operate this business at the time?
Correct. She filed personal bankruptcy 2 days before the trial. So the trial I'm referring to is March 27th, where we won the final judgment. Now we'd like to involve the police and have them shut her down so that she can't do this to the 20 plus other victims that we have been collecting.